Hi dear friends, it's Niharika Gupta. Welcome to my channel Future Synonym. It's your reading for Sun Moon Venus Rising in Cancer for 19th of April to 25th of April. This is your money reading and this is your important relationship sector reading. It includes theme, your guidance or do's and your obstacle or tones. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and also hit the bell icon so that the notification reaches you as soon as I post a video for your sign. Okay, let's dive straight into your reading. Now it's King of Wands, it's Page of Swords and Three of Pentacles. Okay, an important relationship. Cancerians, it basically includes your parent child, husband wife, siblings, and people seeking true genuine soulmate kind of relationship. This reading may resonate for more than one relationship also, right? So you have to just be clear for which relationship you want to take this reading, take the message right now. Okay, and imagine them, just keep them in your mind before you take the message from the cards, and then link the message to them so that everything resonates with you well, and whatever doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it. Okay, fine. So Cancerians in this week, this is King of Wands and Page of Swords, so I think a nice energy it is. I would like to start from the obstacle part. Cancerians, it is this week you are certainly somehow you will not be allowed to work in a team situation, or working in a team will not serve you well this week somehow. Maybe due to pandemic is for everyone, it is not only for you Cancerians, right? So maybe, but there is some situation in your life that is happening, it is happening, you are not able to work in the team environment, or you're not getting the enough support of the people whom you thought that they are in your team earlier. So fine, so this will be your obstacle this week, but these two cards are very nice, very beautiful ones. It is King of Wands, it is a very nice thing if you, especially if you are a business person, and your this message, this is giving you a message that you will be surviving through this tough time, and you will be gaining all mental clarity, all you will be having the physical strength as well to face your obstacles, to think through your problems, and you are already focused somewhere, you are already focused somewhere, you have you know you have a sense of direction, clear sense of direction, you are not worried about anything, you are a matured person, you have grown a lot Cancerians, and mm, this is a very fantastic, very nice energy, and it is Page of Swords, it is asking you to continue to be innovative. Like if you are matured, if you have got matured, actually the King of Wands is someone who is taking the work, who doesn't likes to take work very seriously. He is not careless, but he has mastery over the things, and he has learned how to take the things in a fun way and yet achieve the results, that too with his kingdom. He is a king, so he's the master of impressing. He impresses people like in seconds, so he has that charm, he has that capacity, and he is an awesome leader, and he's nobody can stop his energy, when he starts to speak, when he starts to do some work, he does with absolute passion, and he is not worried about his survival. See this lizard picture here, he is not worried about his survival, he knows where, how to dodge his enemies, how to dodge the difficulties, and how to be the winner in any situation, right? So wonderful, beautiful card. And this is for all, this is also good for those who are in job actually, right? And for those who are preparing for some competitive exams, or you are you have studied a lot, and you have matured to a level that yes, you are now confident to face any exam, and this is your guidance, it is asking you to be fresh in your mind. You do not have to be too focused on one particular area, that you lose your attention, or you lose your wisdom. right? If you are it happens sometimes when we are too focused in one sector of our lives, so we start to lose our understanding about the other areas, or maybe the other, this is money reading, so about the other opportunities that are around you. So you have to stay fresh in your mind, you have to be open in for new ideas in your mind, you have to be open for any kind of new thoughts, or you see how this breeze is running, and how the hairs of this page is just try to see this picture. It is clearly saying you that you have to be, you have to find a subtle balance between your past and your future, right? You have to be open towards new ideas, you have to apply your brain, you have to be clear, you have to hold your ideas very dearly, you have to respect your ideas, you have to respect others, you have to listen to others, you have to listen to your surroundings, right? So this is what is there. This is the card of ideas, this is the card of messages, news. Also for some Cancerians, it is possible that you hear some news of some new kind of business, or there is a twist in your business situation. You get a new idea, and you will uh, decide to tweak your business in a new direction, maybe taking it online altogether, or something like that, which will actually benefit you, Cancerians. So I see a very fine, very nice money flow for you this week, and very nice improvements in your money situation. You will be able to survive any setbacks if you had, so don't worry about that. Okay. In important relationship sector, there has to be, a bit of, you have to take some care. Why this hermit card is there, it's judgment card, it's major arcana, some major things are happening in your love real, Cancerian. So you are actually, you for some of you, you may be seeking some guidance, some higher guidance, or from, this is actually a great time for to sit down with yourself. Do not look out for a partner, do not look out for anybody else, do not, you know in the beginning of the reading, I asked you to just imagine a person for whom you want to take this reading. Okay, if you have imagined, fair enough. If you haven't, so the cards are actually telling you to, they want to communicate with you. Actually, the universe wants to communicate with you only, Cancerians. It is asking you not to seek any kind of relationship right now, any kind of new relationship right now, or don't worry about your uh, people around you. You have to take care of your own self. You have to, this is the week to, you know delve in deeper into your own inner personality, seek guidance from your higher self, what it wants, how it wants, and how it is how you want, what you want in your love life, Cancerians, right? So this is the judgment card. It also speaks about, on the similar lines. It just says to you that, whatever this combination, I think it is a nice one. It is telling you that whatever guidance, whatever solutions you are seeking, Cancerians, you will be getting them sooner than you expect. And this is your guidance. You just be open, just be vulnerable to get tested, if I can say, in a very literal sense, like in a very, what to say, in a very genuine language, in a very crude language, if I can say. Just be ready to be tested by the universe. If there are some tough circumstances, or there is some loneliness, or whatever is your love problem, just let the universe test you. And do not your obstacle is this only, your obstacle is Ace of Pentacles, and you do not have to think much ahead of, you just have to be in your present, right? This is your guidance, and this is your obstacle. It calls for, this is the Ace of Pentacles, and this calls for new beginnings, new promises, new relationships, also something concrete. See, Pentacles is there, so earth energy, very concrete, promising things. And this is asking you to be alone. Okay, use your loneliness. It is a card of loneliness also. So in relationship, it is sometimes read as a negative card. If you are seeing it, if you wanted an outcome of something, like for a relationship, if you are seeking whether you have a future with somebody or not, so this certainly doesn't, it indicates a no for that. But since it is a theme and we it is a general reading and we are discussing the theme and how you should do and what you should expect, so yes, loneliness will be there. You are asked to be alone and understand your situation and cooperate with the universe. Just trust the universe and let the works be done for your own benefit only. You do not have to think much about any new relationship, any new opportunity for the future or something like that. Okay, you do not have to invest your energies into that. It is not the week for that. I think this is a week for more for your money situation than for your love situation. It is taking care of yourself. It is taking care of itself. Your love situation, Cancerians, right? It is taking care of itself, right? So no worries, everything will be fine. Judgment card is here. It is you will be, you will be taught by the universe what is to be done, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, right? So take guidance from the universe, our ultimate guiding factor, right? So salute universe and just trust yourself, just be happy, take care of yourself. This is the message of the cards. This is what I've got for you, Cancerians, right now, and I'll be speaking to you in the next video next week. Till then, take care of yourself in these tough times of pandemic, and God bless you. Be happy, be smiling. Thank you for listening.